Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up a set of 2022 Honda CRF450 suspension. This was set to the JBI suspension FMX spec. We also did a few other upgrades as well. Starting with the shock absorber. This is the standard CRF450R, not the Works Edition. So those normally come with a 16mm shaft. What we did was we upgraded this shock with the JBI Pro Shock. This is the 18mm shaft, DLC coated. Comes with the JBI black bumper, anodized bumper cup, anodized bump stop, and internally we have JBI FMX valving to go along with it as well. We're using the stock spring, and we had the shock body Cerakoted black. Cerakote is an excellent application for this shock body. Reason being is it's pretty tucked away, man. So there's really no areas the rider's leg is gonna rub on it. So the Cerakote is gonna last a really long time and look excellent as well. We also did on the preload rings too. When applied right, man, this does not cause any buildup on the threads, so the rings still spin very smoothly. On the Showa 49mm forks, we did the Kashima Coat on the upper tubes. So these tubes went to Japan and back, and the JBI DLC Coat on the lower tubes. As you'll see, the JBI DLC Coat is quite a bit darker and more of a mirror finish than, say, the Works Edition forks over here. These have a much lighter, almost purplish hue to them, and not deep of a black color. We also had the lower fork lugs Cerakoted as well. Reason being, man, it just looks awesome, and it wears pretty good. It wears pretty similar to anodized, because you got to keep in mind, man, the lower fork lugs, you're leading the bike. So no matter what you put down there, they're gonna get beat up pretty good. So in our opinion, anodized often looks faded on cast lugs, because that's just the type of metal we got. But Cerakote always just turns out awesome no matter what color you pick. And if you want to redo it, it's pretty easy to get redone. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.